Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these soft beach wave type curls. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Now first, what I like to do is I like to mold down the closure, and this is a closure that I recently replaced. If you are interested in it, I'm going to leave a note card up top showing you how to replace your old closures and put on a new one. But anyway, what I'm doing is I am taking a hot comb and I'm just flattening it out a little bit. Then I'm going in with my Paul Mitchell Silky Serum and I'm going to put it all over the hair. You don't need very much, a little goes a long way, and this is going to help me smooth out the hair. After that, I'm going to comb it through and I'm going to take a Marcelle flat iron, which is just basically two plates that you stick inside the Marcelle iron. It gets hot and you're going to smooth out the hair some before we begin curling.
Baby, I won't let you down. I got it. I know you need it. Love is it when you're around.
Now that I have finished smoothing out the hair, I'm going to go ahead and part the section that I want to begin on, and I'm going to conduct a heat test. The brown spot that you see on there lets you know that the Marcelle iron is too hot. What you want is you want your paper to be light brown, or you don't want to see any brown at all on your paper. That will let you know that your Marcelle iron is not too hot for the hair. Now when you're using Marcelle's, what you do is, or what I do anyway, is I flick the hair around the barrel to kind of help guide the hair through. Marcelle's are a little bit different than a traditional curling iron. You do have to use your wrist more, and you have to kind of, it's like you're pumping the handles on the end to feed the hair through. Now that I've done the majority of the head, I'm going to go up to the top. Now, initially I was curling the hair away from the front, but when I get to the top, I am going to curl the hair under just to kind of create more of a layered effect. This hair is not layered, so I want to create the illusion that it is layered, and how I do that is by curling it under like you see here. Now you see how I feathered that out? That creates the illusion of a layer. That's how I create layers without actually layering the hair. And I'm just going to continue doing that for the whole top portion of the wig. Now on the top part of the wig, I did decide to mist it some with the Got To Be spray, because this portion of the head is going to be manipulated more than the bottom portion of it, and I just wanted to make sure that the curls were able to stay. Once again, you see how that looks layered? It has everything to do with the way that the hair is curled. It gives an illusion.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me when it comes to you and me.
Now the top part, that's the bang, I want it to have a little height to it. So what you see me doing is applying a little heat underneath the bottom section and teasing it. You see how when I teased it, it held up? That's what teasing does. Teasing adds volume. So now I'm going to curl it under, trying not to disturb the tease. But if I do, it's okay. I can just always go back in and tease. And there you go. I'm going to comb it out a little bit, tease it, and then place it place the curl where I want it to sit. And sometimes I do add a duck clip just to help the tease stay up and the volume stay up while I'm manipulating the hair. Now what you see me doing here is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna curl the hair away from the face, just the bottom portion of the bang. That kind of helps to give a better layered effect on the top. And you'll see exactly what I mean once I finish. You see how that almost created a layer? That's what happened when I curled it backwards. It helped create a layered effect for the bang.
There's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Once I finished curling the hair to my liking, what I did was I went in and stretched the curls somewhat towards the bottom, shook them out to give them a little more body and volume. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know down below. Also comment and tell me what you guys want to see next. I'll try my hardest to pump those videos out for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye!